Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. And today we are excited to share a special project we worked on the Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Our client wanted to mix luxury and nature, so we made Swiss Cottage Tent of size 14 by 28 feet and a Mughal Cottage Tent to add some royal style. Each tent has a different print to make them feel special and match the spirit of Assam. It is important to set up plumbing and electricity before the tents. This makes things easier for installation of these tents. Even though there are some delays, we made sure every tent was perfect. We are proud of our work and hope it shows how luxury and nature can go together. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more about tent making. Thank you.